Hello guys, welcome to my channel where we look at mastering YouTube growth, design hacks, and then some successful strategies that really works. Today we'll be looking at how to copy from YouTube, to make you 1 million subscribers and then gain 4,000 watch hours very fast. Okay, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss my videos about YouTube tips. Okay, so let's get started. So as you can see my screen, there is 2 sites that I'm going to talk about. I'm going to talk about those 2 websites and I'll give you the last one as a bonus. Okay, so let's go in. The first site that I want to talk about is Nexlev. So you just search Nexlev. To visit the site is an AI-powered YouTube niche finder. So you just create an account from there, and then you'll be able to use it. The very top here, you'd see Chrome extension up level. So you click on that one, we then add to Chrome. So you click here to add to Chrome, then you add extension. Okay, so it is successfully added to Chrome. Okay guys, so when you click on the extension icon here, then you click on Nexlev, and then you sign up with a valid email address or email account. So allow me to sign up with my email account. So success strategies YT gmail.com. Successfully sign up with an account. After signing up, it will bring you here to free trial. And so guys, just go ahead and sign up. After 14 days, you can cancel their subscription. So you just click here, try for free. Go ahead and then you put your details. So allow me to fill all these places and then start the trial. Okay guys, so I was able to add my card. So we're already subscribing for 14-day free trial. Before 14 days, you can actually cancel the subscription and then you will not be deducted. Oh, you just click here again as the extension icon and then you click on Nexlev and then it brings you here where you can actually upgrade if you want to continue using. But then for the sake of this tutorial, we'll just go ahead. YouTube. You would see this here filters. So you can see the extension is working here. So any video that you click here, you'll be able to see how much the video earned, the number of views the video had, or the channel had. So for instance, we are just going to pick any random one from here. So when you click on this one, you'll be able to see whether the channel is monetized. Okay, so this is a perfect video that has been monetized. But most YouTubers are using this strategy. And so we are going to explore. So from here, let's quickly go to his channel. When you come to his channel, you will actually see similar channels here. You would see the analytics also here. So let's quickly see similar channels of this channel. You can equally click videos here and you click on in-depth search and then you click on the search button here. So the AI powered tool is trying to scan and give us more updates of this channel. So as you can see, these are the most powerful videos, popular videos that did well. And so based on the search that we did for some search channels, you can see these are similar channels that are doing the same thing as this channel. So as you can see, the subscribers they had, you can see all of it here. They started using YouTube. And then their average monthly upload, so you can see more details here. And you can just copy what they are doing. You do the same thing, okay? You do the same thing consistently. Let's quickly check a popular video for this channel. So when you come to videos, you just click popular. Okay, so this is a popular video that did well. Nexlev extension is able to tell you the number of views. So this video had 145,000 views. This video had 111,000 views. This had 100k views. Okay, this also 100k views. So you can actually look at the videos that are doing well on similar channels like your own. And then you copy the same strategy and use it for your own. So I'm going to show you more in-depth of the strategies. So just stay with me. So from here, we can click on this one to see the analytics. Okay, so the analytics is going to tell us the channel revenue, the views that it's averagely receives, and then the RPM. So you can review all these to know more information there, and it will be able to help you understand how the algorithm is working. So let's click to see the channel revenue is trying to generate less reads. Okay, perfectly. So within the last 20 days, this channel was able to make $801. Okay, and then the number of views, the total views within the last 28 days was 161k. Okay, the RPM is around $5 for long form. So you can imagine. Okay, so this Nexlev analytics gives you a perfect picture of similar channels like your own. Okay, so you just have to copy the strategy. So let's head straight to the strategy. So the strategy that we are going to use is that we have been able to identify similar channels, okay, that are doing same like your channel. And then we've been able to see the analytics for those that are monetized. This how much they are earning. We need the last 28 days, the total views, and all that. As you're having this in mind, we will just have to go to the second site that I'm going to show you. Okay, the second site that I'm going to show you is actually going to help you move along with the strategy. Okay, the second site would be YouTube Meta Extractor. Okay, so this particular one, okay, so you just copy the link. So you can just click on here, the tray dots here, and then you click share. So when you click share, you just copy the link, okay? So you just copy the link and then you paste it here. So this actually gives you the title of the video, okay? And then the description and tags that was used for the video, okay? So you just have to copy the same thing. So you copy this one and then you open your Word documents, or you can get some notepad. So let's just use Word. So you just save the title here and then we copy the description too, and then receive the description too. So you can possibly say this is our title for that video, and then this is our description for that video. Okay, perfect. Another strategy that I want to also add to help you, okay, is that of the thumbnail. We can even download the thumbnail so that we can also follow the same strategy that is working, okay, so that we don't miss anything. So to be able to download the thumbnail, we'll just go to YouTube thumbnail grabber. Okay, follow me closely, and then you paste the same link that you had from here. After clicking the same video, you click on the three dots, you click share, you copy, and then you paste that one also here. Okay, so that's going to allow you to be able to download the thumbnail, the seed thumbnail, and then you adjust it according to your settings. Okay, your style, you adjust it according to your style. That's what I mean. Okay, so you can download this one, so you can look at the resolution, the one that you're okay with. So for me, I'm okay with the first one, which is on HD, so I'm okay with that one. I'll just quickly download that one. So as you can see, it has been downloaded. Okay, so this is a strategy to be able to follow the top channels that are doing well. Okay, the top channels that are doing well, you follow this strategy and then you do it consistently. Okay, consistently. So guys, just as I earlier said, just go ahead to Nexlev website, create an account, and then install the extension. Okay, you can do it in any way, but then you just have to follow the same steps that I did. You first install the extension. The extension will give you the option to create an account. Okay, so you'll be taken to the account creation page, and then you create an account. If you don't have an account, you create an account. After creating an account, you log in. Okay, and then you subscribe with your card just for 14 days free trial. Before 14 days, you can decide to opt out from the subscription. Okay, but then this one is going to help you be able to build more watch hours from this particular strategy. Okay, and then you're going to also get more subscribers from this strategy. Okay, so guys, if you like this video, just subscribe, like, share, comment, and hit the notification bell. I'm coming your way with very fantastic strategies that is really going to blow your mind, that is really going to uplift your channel. Okay, so just hit the subscription button and see you in my next video.